Most lawnmowers have this simple little hitch on their back, but today we're going to convert this simple hitch over to a double duty hitch so that it can not only pull small trailers, but large ones as well. And to make this happen, this is a kit I purchased off of Amazon. Here is your main unit with some adjustable heights here, and of course these arm brackets. It actually comes with 2 sets of arm brackets so it can fit a variety of lawnmowers, and of course all your fasteners. The main unit gets bolted in right there, and then we got to figure out the side brackets. And after some measurements, it'll be the shorter of the 2 brackets, which one will fit right there in that hole, and the other will fit out here on the hitch. Now I'm about to mount the main base here, but I've cleaned it all off from dirt and debris so it minimizes any kind of rust. And to attach it down here at the base, they provided this massive bolt, which might be a little bit overkill, but it does fit nice and tight in that hole. Now I've left this bolt down here a little bit loose so that this can still move so I can attach the side ones easily. Now these side pieces are held together with this long bolt. Now to attach these side brackets here, they provided some bolts to go into these holes, but they're just a little bit too big. So we're gonna have to drill these holes out, but we gotta be careful of anything behind it. I got my buddy here who wants to help put this together. How you doing, Cooper? Now on my lawnmower, I'm gonna have to remove the battery so I can see down below there to make sure I'm not gonna hit anything. Now it's a little bit hard to see down in there, but it doesn't appear to be anything in the way. If you do install this hitch, make sure you check. If you look down there, you can see the nut. It is kind of a tight configuration to get down in there, but it is doable. Once everything was in place, I just snugged it all down, and it looks really nice. Down here is where you do the smaller trailers, and up here I just got to get a ball, and that way it should be able to handle the bigger trailers. Just have to get this battery back in there, and then I can give it a test drive. Let's hook up this smaller trailer, make sure it fits. Oh yeah, that should fit nicely. I also got a ball up here so we can move some of the bigger trailers. Well, we know it'll pull a little trailer. Let's see if it'll pull my big one. Plus, it has a bunch of weight on it too. Couple things to keep in mind. If you're going to pull a big trailer like I have there with your lawnmower, make sure you know the weight capacity of your lawnmower so you don't exceed it and tear up the transmission. Also, if you're going to be pulling a big trailer, I'd probably suggest adding some weight to the front of your lawnmower, because a couple times going uphill, this thing wanted to pop a wheelie.